Are you looking for the perfect tripod to pair with your spotting scope? Whether you're tracking game from a distance or simply enjoying the serenity of the great outdoors, the right tripod is a game changer. It provides the stability you need for long hours of observation, keeping your spotting scope rock steady even in rough conditions. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one to pick? Stick around as we break down the best options on the market. And hang tight because at the end of this video, I'll reveal the best tripod for your spotting scope, one you won't want to miss. So, let's get started. On number 6, Vortex Optics Summit Carbon 2 Tripod Kit. If you're tired of lugging around heavy tripods on your backcountry hunts, the Vortex Optics Summit Carbon 2 could be the perfect solution. Weighing just 2.5 pounds, this tripod is ideal for those who prefer a minimalist setup without sacrificing reliability. Despite its lightweight build, it can hold up to 22 pounds, enough for large spotting scopes or even a rifle rest. The carbon fiber legs are a standout feature, with a 4-section design that allows for quick and quiet adjustments. Plus, it has 3 adjustable leg angles, making it perfect for uneven terrain. The extended center column provides extra height, but you can remove it for better stability when needed. When folded, it's just 18.1 inches long, so it fits easily in your pack. So the Summit Carbon 2 impressed us with its stability, even when carrying a 25-pound load well beyond its 22-pound limit. And you can even hang a weight from its counterweight hook for added stability. Priced at $549.99, it's backed by Vortex's VIP warranty, which guarantees a no-questions-asked return. If you're after a lightweight tripod that's still durable, this one's a winner. But if you think you're going to wait to go hobbying or swing through Walmart like a lazy boy, the tripod that's still durable, this one's a winner. That's on. Number 5, Amazon Basics 60-inch lightweight tripod. Amazon Basics 60-inch lightweight tripod is perfect if you're looking for something simple, portable, and budget-friendly. Weighing just 3 LPs, it's great for travel, especially if you're hiking or sightseeing. It packs down small, so it's easy to toss in your bag. And despite its lightweight design, it holds up well during use. The tripod's aluminum body gives it a sleek look, while the telescoping legs provide stability without slipping. The rubber feet have proven durable in snowy or muddy conditions, although they might feel a bit cheap. With an adjustable height, you get a little extra reach when you need it. While it might not offer the smoothest adjustments, especially compared to higher-end models, it's a solid option for those who want great value for the price. It includes a quick release plate for easy setup, and at just $2.499, it's hard to beat. If you're just starting out or need a simple, stable tripod for everyday use, this is a fantastic choice. On number 4, Peak Design Travel Tripod. Next up is the Peak Design Travel Tripod, known for its compact design and easy portability. Available in both aluminum and carbon fiber, it weighs 3.44 pounds for the aluminum version and 2.81 pounds for the carbon fiber. This tripod supports up to 20 LPs and stands at 60 inches when fully extended. Its packed height of just 15.4 inches makes it ideal for travel photographers. The key feature of this tripod is its compact head design, which allows it to fold into the legs, saving valuable space. It's quick to set up with flip-lock legs that prevent snagging. The tripod also includes a built-in phone mount, making it versatile for a range of photography needs. The weatherproof carrying bag is another great perk, ensuring the tripod stays safe on your travels. However, the tripod head design might take a little getting used to, as it requires the central column to be extended slightly before it moves freely, and the lack of separate pan and tilt controls on the ball head can make panning a little tricky. Despite these quirks, the Peak Design Travel Tripod is perfect for those seeking portability and reliable performance on the go. On number 3, ZOMEI ZITE 118 Tall Camera Tripod 65. The ZOMEI ZITE 118 is a versatile tripod offering a height range from 18 inches to 65 inches. Weighing just 3.7 ounces, It's a great lightweight option for both indoor and outdoor photography. It supports up to 33 ounces of equipment, so whether you're capturing action shots or filming landscapes, this tripod can handle it all. One unique feature is its ability to convert into a monopod by combining the removable center column and one of the tripod legs. This gives you added flexibility when shooting from low or high angles. The ball head design ensures smooth 360-degree panning, while the quick-release plate makes setup a breeze. The tripod is backed by a 1-year warranty, making it a solid investment for photographers looking for a portable, versatile tripod that can handle heavy-duty gear. On number 2, LCNCY Spotting Scope Tripod. If you're looking for something that's both lightweight and durable, the LC160 Spotting Scope Tripod is an excellent choice. Standing at 62 inches, it's perfect for everything from spotting scopes to cameras. At just 2.2 pounds, it's easy to carry and packs down to just 18 inches, so it's ideal for travel. This tripod features a fluid head for smooth 360-degree rotation, and it's compatible with a wide range of equipment. Whether you're using binoculars, a camera, or a spotting scope, this tripod gives you the flexibility to shoot from any angle. For the price, you get a mini tripod, removable fluid head, and a variety of adapters, including a binocular adapter. It's a solid choice for anyone looking for a practical, high-quality. On number 1, VICTIV 74 Camera Tripod. At number 1, we have the VICTIV 74 Camera Tripod, a true all-rounder. With an impressive height range from 19 to 74 inches, this tripod is perfect for both indoor and outdoor shoots. Weighing just 3 and 14 pounds, it's lightweight, portable, and comes with a carrying bag for easy storage. What really sets this tripod apart is the professional 3-way panhead, which allows for smooth 360-degree panning, 180-degree up and down shots, and 90-degree vertical shots. Whether you're filming videos, vlogging, or taking landscape photos, this tripod delivers steady shots every time. It also includes a phone holder and extra quick-release plates, making it versatile for any shoot. In short, the VICTIV 74 offers everything you need in a tripod without the hefty price tag. If you're looking for a sturdy, versatile tripod that won't break the bank, this should be at the top of your list. So there you have it, the best tripods for spotting scope hunting. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. All the product links are in the description below, so check them out if you're interested. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy hunting.